Hey everyone, welcome back to Ghost AI TV. Today we're shining the spotlight on the mysterious, hilarious, and totally lovable world of cats. Let's see why they've got the internet and our hearts wrapped around their paws. These mysterious furballs have captivated humans for thousands of years with their independent yet affectionate nature. Their purrs can actually heal human bones and reduce stress levels, while their playful antics provide endless entertainment. Despite their reputation for aloofness, cats form deep emotional bonds with their owners, recognizing voices and responding to names. They're also incredibly clean, spending up to 50% of their waking hours grooming themselves. Whether they're zooming across your home at 3 a.m. or claiming your laptop as their bed, cats bring magic to everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite cat breed or story in the comments. See you next time on Ghost AI TV.